Okay, so hey YouTube, I'm back. I am here to talk about the 5x5 body weight closures that I have on my website. So a 5x5 is bigger than a 4x4 closure. I'm gonna say a 4x4 closure usually goes between, I always describe it as like where your pupils at is between each pupil, like it's like pupil distance is what I'm trying to say. So it's about this big. A 5x5 closure, it goes to the end of, usually it kind of goes to the end of your eyebrows, but not to your ears. Let me show you. See? So when I say 5x5, I'm talking about the size of the closure and not the length. I'm gonna put up a picture so you can see, because I don't have any 4x4s on me, but so you can see, you know, side by side what a 4x4 looks like and 5x5, 6x6. I think I got some 7x7s too. But me personally, I like these closures for wigs, simply because, you know, you could do a little bit more with the baby hair. Of course, it's glueless. You don't have to use glue. Some people do, some people don't. I try to do everything to preserve my tape line, because I love my edges. I already don't have some on, I think this side, from doing all kind of crazy braid styles when I was younger. I'm gonna say like middle high school. I was obsessed with doing my hair. But anyways, so this is how big a 5x5 closure is. This is as big as my hand. So you can imagine a 6x6. So I like these closures for wigs. I like the 4x4 for sew-ins. I don't get too many sew-ins these days because my hair is natural. And I feel like they don't last at all, period. So I get a lot of wigs. I like custom wigs above all because they are fuller. So I'm gonna make a custom wig with this 5x5 wig. Yes, the hair is a natural color, natural 1B if you want to call it, if you need like a color number, but it's a natural brown. These closures come with baby hairs. So baby hairs right there. It has baby hairs. It's about a medium brown. It's not too dark, not too light. It's not too dark, not too light. I have 3-part closures on my website. So what I mean by 3-part closure is the part of closure in the middle. And in case you like your parts on the left or the right side, it's a part right here. You can see it good. And it's the part right here. So these are the 5x5 closures. Like I said, I'll put a picture up. These are the 5x5 closures I sell on my website. I have them in body wave and straight textures, along with a deep curly texture. But the deep curly texture you cannot buy individually. It comes with a 3 set of bundles. So, you know, but just in case you want to make your own 5x5 closure wig, you know, I suggest this. I highly suggest 5x5s. I love it. I like the way it looks. It looks a little better than me. Of course, does it come pre-plucked? No, these don't come pre-plucked. I would suggest if you want it pre-plucked, go ahead and pre-pluck it. Go ahead and pre-pluck it if you want to. It depends on what kind of look you're going for. I don't too much light baby hair. It's not nothing too wild. Like, it could be baby hairs, but not like the big, but like, you know, the one that blew me away or whatever. So, you know, these are 5x5 closures from www.kingsleyhaircompany.com. This is the review, and let me recap this video. So it's a 5x5 closure. It's as big as my hand. I recommend them for wigs, custom wigs. What else? It's a body wave texture. I have body wave and straight. They have nice shine to them. They also come with baby hairs. I believe I only have 3 parts. 3-part closures in each texture. Let me see, and that's about it. go ahead and buy it. It's shiny, it's nice. Oh, and most important, I feel like the most important part for any closure frontal is the knots bleach really well. I'll go ahead and do a video on me bleaching the 5x5 knots right before I do my closure wig. I'm gonna use this 5x5 closure wig to make me a wig with my raw Indian hair from my website, because I love that hair. The hair is so soft. So and that's all. This is my review on 5x5 closures. Like I said, love them for custom wigs, 3 parts, and that is all. See you later. Go check out my website, www.kingsleyhaircompany.com, and get you some bundles, baby. Peace.